Okay, now here they tell us to find the area of shaded region, right? This shaded part, right? Now we haven't learned, any formula to find area this kind of shape, here and here. So what to do this? This how to do this question? Very simple idea, this one, right? What the no, this is very simple question, but still I try to discuss this one, because why some are confused with this thing, how to find this shaded region area. This question, this is a common question. Anyway, now think like this. Now if you need to measure weight of your puppy, I mean dog, how to do? There's a method, but you can catch it and then measure both of you weight, and then measure your weight. You can subtract from the first answer, then you can get the puppy weight. It like that. Here very simple idea. We think here this triangle also, now here not color, no, we think this also color, this triangle also color. So that's why we need to get the area of this complete semicircle. This is a semicircle, no, right? Complete semicircle area including this triangle. That means you need to think this has shade. Try to remember my example like that. We need to measure, I mean we need to find the area of this both, I mean including triangle, right? So I will find the area. How to get? Very simple. This is a semicircle, no, so half, or someone can put 180 degrees over 360. That also mean half, right? 1 over 2 into 5r square, right? Okay, half 5, and r mean here they give 6 centimeter, no, so 6 square, 6 square. Now if you apply this to calculator, right, your answer will be okay, I will round off to 2 decimal place. So your answer, my answer was 56.55, right? This is square centimeter, right? This is the area of this semicircle including this triangle also, without this triangle also shaded, right? Now we need to get the area of this triangle area. We don't know how to find the triangle area. How? Again, like this. Okay, I will do it here. Where the half, this is triangle area, right? Area of triangle. This is the semicircle area, right? Semicircle area. This is semicircle area. This is triangle area. Half base into height, base into perpendicular height. Now this is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree because this they call this as center. So that's why definitely this must be 90, because this is radius, this also radius, and between the two we have 90 degree, right? So how to find the area of this triangle? Base into height. So because this height is perpendicular height, right? This is a right angle triangle, no, so very easily we can find. But the half base means 6 centimeter, height also 6 centimeter, because why? Here radius, this also radius, this is center, now they call this as center, so that's why they tell us to. So that's why, or to here also same length, 6 centimeter, here also 6 centimeter. Okay, I will write it here, 6 centimeter. So now base into height, right? Half base into height, no, to find the area of a triangle. So when you apply here, your answer will be 3 into 6. Yeah, here we can get easily. Answer will be 18 square centimeter. Now, like I told you, this is including triangle, no, this area including triangle, complete semicircle. From this, if you subtract this triangle area, then you will have the area of shaded region, right? Try to understand, it's not big deal, right? This is the way you need to do it, right? When you have like this type of question, keep mind this is like I told you, it's common question. If they are shaded region area, think where they not shaded, including that you will have a shape. You know how to find area from that. Again, you know what the area they not shaded, that also you know how to find the area. Okay, then from the previous one subtract the this not shaded area, right? This one, like this here. Then your answer will be 38.55. This is okay, square centimeter, like this is the answer, right? Keep mind this method when we have to find area of this type of question. We find including this one first of all, that means including this triangle here, complete semicircle area. From that subtract the triangle area, right? Then you will have area of the shaded region.